Whether your shower opening is large or small, for a corner, alcove, or bathtub combo configuration, designing your dream shower space could not be any easier thanks to DreamLine's variety of QWall shower wall and shower base kits. Our QWalls are made of durable, easy-to-maintain acrylic and can be trimmed on-site during installation to perfectly fit your shower or bathtub space, whether you're installing them against a solid surface backer board or directly to existing walls or tiles. Engineered to work together, our QWalls are paired with our low-threshold, high-gloss acrylic slimline shower bases. They're equipped with slip-grip textured floor surfaces to offer slip resistance for safety, and the base is reinforced with fiberglass and 4-inch diameter PVC rings for structural support and extra durability. Don't forget to complete the look with one of DreamLine's many 5-star rated shower or tub doors, available in multiple sizes, finishes, and configurations. It'll be the focal point of your dream bathroom for years to come. With over 5,000 luxurious, modern shower door products, backed by an industry-leading limited lifetime warranty and thousands of 5-star reviews, remember, when it comes to your dream bathroom, it's gotta be a DreamLine.